Oh, it's running out.
Oh, can you spin like a ballerina? Let me see. Oh, wow. Can you sing to Mommy?
Ballerina, ballerina, oh, she's mommy, thinking mommy, thinking mommy, thinking mommy.
Annabelle. Annabelle, what do you want for Christmas?
The present.
You want a present? What kind of present?
Dress.
Oh, you want a dress for Christmas?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
The bow.
With a bow?
Mm-hmm.
Anything else?
Mm-hmm.
What?
The door.
What?
The door.
A door?
Mm-hmm.
What kind of door?
This.
Oh, that's an ornament. That's from the Air Force, from Sissy, remember?
Uh-huh.
You're a beautiful ballerina.